And that's why the girl died of heart failure when she went to the haunted house. Doesn't that just break your heart? Oh. Hello.
And welcome to
Scared Silly. Today we'll be talking about Ebola in the world.
And Don't Get Scared Silly.
The World Health Organization took 3 months to identify the epidemic happening as Ebola, 5 more months to call a public health emergency, and 2 more months to start a humanitarian movement.
It could take more months for a full response to start. Also, the international health regulations are flawed and leave us unprepared for things like Ebola. The World Health Organization has the perspective that is an agency to provide analysis/data, not a first responder.
One editorial in the journal Nature said, if the WHO is not the first responder to an emergency such as this, then who is? The United Nations is setting up a UN mission for Ebola emergency and response, also known as UNMIR.
UNMIR will use those in the United Nations accomplish the priorities of stopping the spreading of the disease, treating the infected, ensuring services that are essential, preserving stability, and preventing Ebola's spread to currently unaffected countries.
Also, another response that the world has had is fear. They're afraid of Ebola and what it can do to them.
Some things are going to help with Ebola are Doctors Without Borders / Medicines, Sans Frontiers, Catholic Relief Services, Africare, and Samaritan's Purse. Also, the U.S. has sent people to Africa to fight Ebola.
Africare has trained over 300 people on Ebola's do's and don'ts, reached about 30,000 people with behavior/social changes about the disease, and distributed over 60 pallets of medical supplies and PPEs to hospitals/health areas in Monrovia, Bong, and Nimba counties.
Samaritan's Purse are going to train Liberians to run 10-bed faculties, provide supportive care, and they are prepared to manage up to 15 community care centers in different rural areas.
Doctors Without Borders is an organization that helps train the medical staff, helps control the infection, and gives the community education on Ebola and mobilization. Catholic Relief Services is a program that responds to the needs of the communities around and gives basic health services.
Lots of other aid protocols / organizations are helping to fight Ebola. One woman, Ms. Shayeb, blamed the UN they were moving too slow to help other countries with Ebola, such as Liberia, Guinea, and Sierra. The UN blamed those countries moving too slow in reporting how much Ebola they have in their countries.
Also, according to CNN, the Ebola outbreak has been going much faster than the international response to the outbreak. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thanks for listening to Scared Silly.
Bye!